Happy Sunday, everyone. Welcome back. If you've been at Ridgekids before, we're glad you're here. If this is your first time, we hope you enjoy it. But we're going to have a service today for all ages of kids, parents. We want you to enjoy this as well, or if you have older students. So as we get started here, we're going to start with our Ridgekids Junior video and worship song, and then we'll kick into our Ridgekids service, which is for school age 1st through 6th grade. So last week, if you were with us, I talked about my Next Level shirt. And on our Next Level small group, we started it last week, but we're talking about serving. And we want to talk about how do we take our faith to the next level. So I just wanted to remind us of that. And something that's important is that we would know that wherever we're at with God, that He wants us to continue to seek Him and to continue to grow. So we're going to get started. I hope you enjoy the Ridgekids Junior service. We are just digging in and we're learning from Jesus this month, and we're talking about story time. So get comfortable, grab a blanket, maybe in your pajamas, but we're going to learn from Jesus this week, and He's going to teach us how we can share things. So He gives us things. He doesn't want us to just take it all for ourselves. He wants us to share it with the people around us. So maybe that's the people in the room with you, maybe that's your neighbor, school, in the community, but we're going to share. And then with Ridgekids, we're battling self-control, right? And we're talking about making the right choice even if we don't want to. And this week we're going to look at not being controlled by our anger. Because I don't know about you guys, but when we get angry, sometimes that controls us, and that's not the direction that God wants us to go in. So I hope you guys enjoy this service. I'll come back at the end and kind of wrap things up and see how you did. But I hope you guys enjoy it. So we'll see you in a few.
Oh wow, you are so smart. So many kinds of animals can live in a barn. Do you know my favorite barn animal? Yes, it's a horse. Do you know what a horse says? Nay, that's right. And this book says that not only do horses live in barns, but that farmers store their food in barns too. Here you go, little horse. If I had a big barn, I'd fill it with marshmallows. Or pancakes. That would be so fun. What else can I learn about barns? It's Ollie!
Hello, Peyton. Hoo, hoo. Reading all about barns, are you?
Oh, hi, Ollie. I've learned so much from these new books about barns.
Books are amazing. It's true. I know another story about barns for you. Listen to this one. Just follow me through. Hoo, hoo.
Follow me through, follow me through, who? Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Oh, hola friends. I'm Luis, the handyman. I'm organizing all my tools. And wow, do I have a lot of them. I have 3 hammers. And 2 screwdrivers. And 4 wrenches. I really have more than I need. Do you know what? Jesus told an important story to teach us what to do when we have more than we need. Do you want to help me build it? Great! All right, hammers up, little builders. Ready? 1, 2, 3, hammer! Great job, little helpers. You can put your hammers down. Now we just need our story tools. Yep, we have everything we need. Jesus told this story to teach us something very important. It begins with a farmer. The farmer grew a lot of good food for his family. Like, a lot. Look. Whoa! That's a lot of food, right? Now he's got to put the food in the barn. Can you tell me when the barn is full? Just yell, stop! Ready? All right, load it up! Oh, okay, stop! The barn is full! The barn is full! Oh, the barn is full, but there's still more food. What should he do with all that extra food? Then, farmer had an idea. He would build a bigger barn. Bigger barn coming through. Then he could fill it up and keep all the food for himself. It would be way more food than he needed, but he wanted to keep it all. Tell me, is there anything else the farmer could do with all this extra food? He could share? Yes! He could share the food. You are so smart. God had given the farmer way more food than he needed. He could have shared and helped a lot of people. Sometimes God gives us more than we need too. So we can share with others. I can share my tools with others. What can you share with others? A toy? A snack? A turn on the swing? We can share all those things. That's the very important thing that Jesus teaches us with this story. God wants us to share. I'm so glad we have a friend like Jesus to teach us important things. Hey there, Ollie. Tell me, who teaches you important things?
Jesus teaches me important things. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who teaches you important things?
Jesus teaches me important things. That's the truth, friends. You better believe it. Adios. See you next time.
So there's your story, and it's all true. Jesus taught people to share, and that is true for me and you.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Ooh, ooh.
Wow! Jesus told a story about a barn to teach us that we should share. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it? Got it! Good. I have all these fun stories and this super cool book nook. I'm going to go share them with some friends. See you next time. Bye!
Your forgiveness is like sweet, sweet My world was broken, the waves were crashing, the flood was coming in, but now I'm singing, look how he lifted me. My life was sinking, my days were numbered, the waves were crashing, the flood was coming in, but now I'm singing, look how he lifted me. Oh, look how he lifted me. Oh, look how he lifted me. His grace and mercy. His grace and mercy is my testimony for every victory. I've got a song to sing. Look how he lifted me. Whoa, whoa. Back into dancing. He turned my weeping into a shout again. And now I'm singing. Look how he lifted me. You guys got it? Let's go. He rolled my sorrows away to Calvary. He rose in triumph over the enemy. And hallelujah. Look how he lifted me. Look how he lifted me. Oh, look how he lifted me. His grace and mercy is my testimony for every victory. I've got a song to sing. Look how he lifted me. Whoa, whoa. Nothing else could help. Your love came down. Your love came down. When nothing else could help, your love came down and lifted me. Oh, look how he lifted me again. Super loud. Oh, look how he lifted me. His grace and mercy. His grace and mercy is my testimony for every victory. I've got a song to sing. Look how he lifted me. Oh, look how he lifted me. His grace and mercy. His grace and mercy is my testimony for every victory. I've got a song to sing. Look how he lifted me. Whoa, whoa.
John, come on, it's about to start.
Oh boy. I cannot believe we're about to watch the last episode of Science Dinosaur.
I know, after all these years and all these seasons, I'm so glad that I get to share this moment with you.
Me too. Where's the remote?
I don't know, you had it last.
No, I'm pretty sure you had it last.
Regardless, I don't have it.
Well,
okay, what was the last thing we watched?
I think Mystic Quest.
Oh yeah, right, and I told you to turn down the volume, remember?
No, but then I told you to turn it off.
Okay. I can't see it anywhere. Where's the...
Well, now what do we do?
Hello all, I'm Brandon.
I'm John.
And this is the So-and-So Show. Put that down. But you don't know what the thing can do.
I know, but that's why I'm messing with it. Who knows what possibilities I can unlock within.
Yeah, in case you haven't heard, we've got this remote control that is having some strange effects.
Yeah, last episode it was fast forwarding us, changing our channel.
Yeah, and we're not exactly sure what the limits are, so please put it down.
But Brandon, this is a rare opportunity. When else are we going to have a remote control with these kinds of capabilities?
Fine, but we need to agree on what button to press, all right? Something without any physical distress.
Okay. What about the closed captioning button?
Okay, that's the button where words come up on the screen that help people who are hard of hearing know what we're saying.
Yeah.
Right.
That won't be too much
All right.
of an issue, right?
I can't think of anything that could go wrong. Try it. Is that it?
Oh, looks like it. See? That's not so bad.
Hey, this is kind of neat.
Everybody knows that I'm in the zone and my name is John and I'm not alone. Hey. Hey. Hey!
All right, this is fun, but we have to get on with the show.
I agree.
So, do we have a guest?
If that's what you want, pal.
Where's he going? What are you? Ow. Ha! What was that about?
You told me to.
What? No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
So, do we have a guest?
If that's what you want, pal.
I didn't say that, though.
You must have. It was on the screen.
No, but I didn't.
I'm glad you agree with me.
I don't. Listen to the words I'm saying. No! John, listen to what I'm saying. The words on the screen are not what I'm saying. Look, can you see how that's different?
Oh, buddy. I think you rule.
Ah! Oh. All right. Listen, you. I don't know who you are or what you're doing, but you need to stop right now. I got a whole show to do, so I need you to leave me alone and start writing the words that I'm saying, okay? What? Why not? This is funny. No, it is not funny. You're just being rude and selfish, and I don't like it. Really? Ah!
Wow. My name is Brandon, and I'm a big baby boo-hoo. Guess I'll go. It's a weird thing to say, but whatever. I'm sure he had his reasons. Well, I'm sad to go into it alone, but still, it's Bible story time with Karen.
Hey, John, where's your co-host?
Oh, he left like a big baby. No idea why, but what are we talking about today, Kellen?
Weird. But today, we're going to be looking at 1 Samuel chapter 24. And of course, I can't do this alone, so we're going to be welcoming our friends, the So-and-So Show players. Our story begins with David on the run. Now, you may remember David from all the famous things he did, like fight and defeat the giant Goliath.
What up?
David was also known as an impressive harp player.
What up?
All told, David was a really popular guy.
David, he's our man. If he can't do it, no one can.
There was just one problem. Saul was the king, and he had a little jealousy issue.
What do you mean by that chant?
Oh, everyone thinks David is so good. Well, what about me?
Saul, he's our man. If he can't do it, David can!
What? What? I see what's going on here. Everyone thinks that David should be king. Well, not on my watch. Guards! After him!
It wasn't just the people who loved David. David was picked by God to be the next king after Saul. Saul was afraid of David and plotted to kill him.
King Saul, we've been told that David is hiding in this desert.
It's great. No. Let's go get... As I was saying, let's go get... Let's go get... Okay, so, we're all adults here, right? I got to go to the party. So, maybe we could wait 10, 20 minutes to kill David.
Got plenty of time.
So, I'm gonna go in that cave over there. Yeah. Leave me alone.
Yes, sir.
David, he's our man. What's next? He's got a plan.
Do you hear that?
Whoa!
What do I do?
Sneak up on him, end it quick. Him chasing us is no picnic.
David had the perfect opportunity to kill his enemy Saul, but instead, he cut off the corner of his robe.
David, what's the deal? Put an end to this ordeal.
Oh. Ooh. I feel good. I knew that I would. Yeah, I feel good. I knew that I would.
I can't kill Saul. God anointed him to be king, and I have to respect that. I can't lay a hand on him.
But don't you see that he'd kill you?
If he finds out, we're all through.
David knew he had to trust God no matter what. So the next thing he did was really, really bold.
David, are you nuts?
I'll say this for him. He's got guts.
King Saul.
What?
This day, you have seen with your own eyes how the Lord has handed you over to me in the cave. Some of my men begged me to kill you, but I didn't.
David, don't blame us. He'll say we are treasonous.
I said, I will never lay my hand on my master. He is the Lord's anointed king.
David, rise.
People say evil acts come from those who do evil. So, I won't do anything to hurt you.
David, you are a better person than I am. May the Lord reward you with many good things. And may the Lord do it because of the way you treated me today. I know for sure you will be king. And I know the kingdom of Israel will be secure under your control. Bring it. Oh. 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 Yay, my back feels better.
David, now what's next? The political fallout is complex.
You guys know you don't have to chant everything.
Great job, everyone. Let's have a big hand for the So-and-So Show players. David had every reason to be angry. King Saul was trying to kill him. Being angry is understandable when you or someone you know is being treated unfairly. But what's important is what we do with that anger. You see, David had self-control though. He knew the right decision was to trust God and let his plans play out. And I know it's hard sometimes to keep your cool when someone makes you mad, but take a deep breath and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You'll make better choices if you could control your anger instead of letting your anger control you. I'll see you guys next time.
Thanks, Kellen. John, read these. Okay. The closed captioning has been saying things I haven't said. How dare you? Hey, nobody said that. I got really frustrated, so I had to leave and come up with a plan. I get it. Can you please turn the closed captioning off? Oh, sure. See ya, pal.
Finally.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that, Brandon. I didn't even notice.
It's fine. It gave me an excuse to exercise my self-control. I also have one more card to read. You want to read it out loud?
Sure. Reveal the question, exclamation mark.
The question of the day is, what makes you angry?
Big stuff obviously makes me angry, like bullying or when somebody's treated unfairly, but little stuff can make me angry too, like, if someone doesn't put cheese on my cheeseburger or, stub my toe. I know it's irrational, I just can't help it.
Yeah, same here. Hey, we can get mad at something, that's understandable. But if you have self-control...
Yeah, then anger won't turn you into someone you're not.
Exactly. John, I think that remote control is maybe more trouble than it's worth.
Yeah. Think we should throw it away?
Yeah, let's give it 2 more weeks.
Yeah. Until next time, I'm John.
And I'm Brandon.
And this was the So-and-So Show. See you soon.
Bye, everyone.
All right, what do we want to? Which one do we want to do now? Crindurulololo. Yippers, skipper lappers, this. Wow, 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 booty. I know somebody. Ha.
Wow, pretty awesome messages today. So if you watched our Ridgekids Junior service, it talked about building bigger barns. And I don't know if you guys have ever done that, but we just keep getting more stuff. Maybe it's stuffed animals, toys, vehicles, parents, right? Money. And we just kind of save. And sometimes it just kind of piles up. And God reminds us that we need to share. And Jesus talks about, it's really our heart, but when we follow Jesus and we trust God, we know that we can share with other people because we know that He'll provide what we need. And if you watch the Ridgekids service, wow. David and Saul, I don't know if you guys have read that story before, but I'd encourage you to go look it up if you didn't read it already. But 1 Samuel chapter 24, and what David doesn't do to Saul is pretty incredible because he had an opportunity there to take things into his own hands, but he didn't. He trusted God, and he didn't let his anger get the most of him. So glad you guys were here today. Keep learning, keep growing, keep living for Jesus this week, and we do hope to see you back next week for the 4th week in January as we continue to just learn and grow all month as we move into this new year, this next year of 2022. So we hope to see you back next Sunday. I'll be here, and I look forward to seeing you. All right, have a great week, Ridge Kids.